Okay, this is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to do this 034 Motorsport mount install on a 2-litre petrol Golf Mk5. So you've got the lower subframe here. All we need to do is pull that center bolt out and insert this insert in. So let's see if we can put that there. Alright, now I think it's a 19. No, it's bigger. I'll be right back. $21. Yeah, it's a 21. So hopefully nothing moves. See how that mount flopped a little bit. Right, I'm gonna try and do this without putting any sort of stuff in. Yeah, there you go. So I don't think you need any grease or anything like that. It literally takes 2 minutes. Make sure you hand screw it in just so you don't cross thread anything. But that's as far as it goes. Okay, that's probably way too tight. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, one of the easiest things to do on a Mk5 Golf. Just so you can, while we're under here, this is the dog bone mount. I've already replaced that. So it's 2 there. The motor will actually move when you replace that. And this is the hard one to do. It's got two of these rubber bushings on either side. You have to remove the whole subframe control arms. You know, the mount is not really gone yet. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to prevent doing that. It's a pretty crappy job. So anyway, thanks for watching. So this is a quick test of that 034 mount. As you can see, not really any wheel hop going up a hill.